Poultry farm is where domesticated birds are raised. Poultry includes chickens, ducks, turkey, and geese. These animals are raised for their meat and eggs. Chickens are the most common birds which produces meat and eggs. Chicken farming operations cause odors and emissions of ammonia, poultry dust containing bacteria, bacterial toxins which affects human environment and cause environmental pollution.
Improper segregation of plastic waste. Most poultry farms put their plastic bags everywhere. This makes soil less fertile. It doesn't dissolve, which releases toxic chemicals to soil waterways. Mismanagement of chicken manure. Manure management is necessary for the protection of air, soil, and water quality, including human health. Without proper manure management, the rivers near the poultry area are at risk of contamination. Also, both soil and air quality will be affected.
The first effect of mismanagement of chicken poultry farms is the air pollution. Chicken poultry air pollution has a negative impact on both environmental and public health. High concentrations and exposure to aerial pollutants in poultry houses can cause ammonia, including respiratory infections by opportunistic pathogens. The second one is the water pollution. Runoff from chicken poultry farms causes water pollution. When contaminants are released into the river, it affects the water quality. Contaminants are the nitrates, bacteria, and viruses.
Air quality mitigation. Composting poultry litter at the right moisture, carbon, nitrogen ratio, and temperature with proper aeration can reduce losses and retain fertilizer value. Runoff mitigation. Vegetative buffer system made of grass or other shrub help to absorb water, limiting erosion and runoff on chicken farm.
Third is the proper segregation of waste. Step 1. Classify the category of waste. Step 2. Labeling. Step 3 is separate the residual waste. Step 4. Cleaning before sorting. Step 5 is to compact to collect more. Fourth is the proper manure management. Composted or aged prior to use, raw manure can contain pathogens that can harm people and animals. If composting is done properly, the process destroys disease-causing organisms, making chicken manure safe to use around plants, people, and pets.
Effective environmental management of any poultry waste begins with understanding its composition and the physical, chemical, and microbiological reactions that control the fate of potential pollutants in the waste following land application. Poultry production while protecting the environment and human health is necessary.